Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are going to draw a beautiful graduation cap. Grab your pencils and let's get started. First, we will draw the base of the cap. Begin by drawing a horizontal diamond shaped. This will be the top of graduation cap. Make sure the sides are equal to create a balanced shape. Next, add depth to the cap by drawing horizontal lines from each corner of the diamond, slightly angled downward. Connect these lines with the horizontal line, creating a 3D effect. Now, let's draw the bottom part of the cap. From the bottom corner of the diamond, draw two vertical lines downward. Connect these lines with a slightly curved horizontal line to form the bottom part of the cap. In the center of the diamond, draw a small circle. This represents the bottom on the top of the cap where the tassel will be attached. From the bottom, draw a curved line downward to right or left, depending on your preference. This is the tassel string. At the end of the string, draw a small oval shape to represent the tassel. Add details to the tassel by drawing a few lines coming out from the oval shape, giving it a realistic look. Finally, go over your drawing with a pen or marker to make the lines bold and clear. Erase any unnecessary pencil lines. And there you have it, a simple and elegant graduation cap. Thanks for watching. If you are enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings for more art tutorial. Happy drawing!